In this video, we are looking at this kit of 2 NPF style batteries from Viltrox. So the great thing about these batteries is that you can charge them over USB-C. You don't have to have an NPF charger at hand at all times. They're also reasonably affordable at just $44 for 2 of these batteries. This isn't a sponsored video, by the way. I bought these myself for a recent trip and the convenience of being able to leave my NPF charger at home while traveling. I have left my NPF charger at home before, but this was actually the first time I did it on purpose. There's a couple of different sizes available, but these ones in this video are NPF 750 style batteries. They come in a pair with 2 batteries plus a little charging cable for each battery. Here in Europe, I've only seen them be available in white, which I don't mind. It actually made it quite easy to find them quickly in my bag when I needed to do a battery swap. On the US market, I've seen them in both black and white, so I guess, you know, what the pictures show when you order them is what you're gonna get. But yeah, personally, I have nothing against white. It just makes it easier to find them. And these are not the only NPF style batteries on the market that can be charged over USB-C. I know for a fact that SmallRig offers an NPF 970 battery, but personally I think 750s is a better size for monitors, as they're not overly bulky or heavy, which sometimes can cause monitor mounts to kind of droop a little when you start moving around, walking and that kind of stuff. They also will allow you to tilt your monitor forward at a greater angle before either getting in front of the lens or sometimes getting in the way of your focus or your iris wheels on your lens. So for low angle shots like this, it can be super clutch to have these smaller batteries which allow you to tilt the screen more forward instead of you having to go down there at ground level to make sure everything is framed up properly. These batteries have a rated capacity of 4,400 milliamps, which is kind of typical for these types of third-party batteries. They're usually somewhere between 4,000 and 5,200 milliamps. And you can expect somewhere between 2 and maybe 4 hours of runtime on your monitor, depending on the monitor itself and how bright you're running it and that kind of stuff, obviously. In my case, during my testing, I used the Viltrox DC-X3, and one of these batteries would last me an entire day as I either dimmed down the screen or turned off the monitor completely when I wasn't using it. But different monitors and shooting scenarios will affect the overall runtime that you can expect from a battery like this. So it's going to be very, very difficult or impossible to give you a fixed number of how many hours you can expect from one of these batteries. Charging over USB-C with a regular 5V 2A charger will take about 4.5 hours from 0 to 100% according to the manual. Now, I used a 65W travel charger, and while I wasn't charging these from 0% every night, or time the charging for that matter, it was probably around 1 to 2.5 hours to get them up to 100% again after a day of use. Overall, I'm super happy with these batteries and the fact that I don't have to bring or worry about bringing a separate charger every time I leave the house and I need to run some of these batteries for a monitor or what have you. I also think it's a very, very affordable price, so I just wanted to make this video to give you guys or let you guys know that these batteries exist and the pricing and everything on them, in case you're interested or looking for some bigger use here or bigger batteries with more use for your monitors or your LED panels or what have you. So in case you're interested, I will leave some links down below to these one, the 750s. I think they also have 550s and 970s, which is super large, almost like 2 of these combined. So I will put links to all of those down in the description in case you're interested. But that's gonna be it for this time. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.